Welcome to the tutorial video of Watch Party app. To register your account, click on Sign Up. You can sign up using any of these three methods. Let's sign up with email. Enter your email address. Press on Send Code. An OTP will send to your given email. Check spam or junk folder of your email if you didn't get the email. Input the OTP from your email. Enter your preferred username, gender, and birth date. Press Continue. Select your interests. Now your account has been created successfully. To start playing a video, simply press this play button on the screen. Here, key features liking, commenting, sharing, link, and reporting. In the top right corner, the user will find a 6-dot menu bar that allows them to direct message users, save videos, send friend requests, or block users. Next, the Challenges tab can be located on the bottom row next to the home icon. Challenges offer TikTok-styled fun, where users can upload video reels and engage with others. Users can like, share, and/or vote. To cast a vote, simply tap the Votes icon at the bottom of the screen, award each the desired number of stars, and click on the word Vote to submit. Check the upper right corner for the challenge rules. Next, the Watch Party tab is the third tab on the bottom. The Watch Party tab allows users to upload video reels that appear on the home screen, as well as to start their live Watch Party events. To upload video reels to the home screen, tap the Select Video Upload, choose a video from the user's personal library, tap Next, then write a description. Add a location. Tap Share to upload. Live streaming on Watch Party. To host a Watch Party, users will need to register with Stripe. Watch Party allows users to log in or create an account directly. Once users are a Stripe member and to set up a live stream, select the invited audience and tap Go Live. Write out the live broadcast banner with the cover fee listed. Once the live broadcast begins, more participants can be invited by tapping the share icon from the menu. To the right, users can find the Invites tab. This tab displays a list of invitations received from other Watch Party users hosting live events. Lastly, the Profile tab features two key functions alongside the menu, Link Up and Messenger, and Edit Profile options. The Link Up feature allows one to discover other users via the world map and access their profiles, even sending them direct messages. The Messenger feature allows users to message others directly. When a video is saved, it's stored in the Save It collection, and once it expires on the home screen, it moves to Archivid Videos. Fan Mail keeps track of users that paid to attend your live stream. Watch Party app, your talent, our audience.